For the next 3 days, I'm going to be journeying to the city of Luang Prabang in Laos. Currently, I'm in Thailand. I'm in Chiang Rai. And you can see the beautiful architecture here behind me. Chiang Rai is known for its wonderful architecture, its temples, etc. I've spent just 24 hours here in Chiang Rai. If you want to check out that video, it's on my other channel, Caught Not, over here. But for now, it's time to say goodbye to Thailand, just for now. I'll be back in about 5 weeks and I am heading to the unexplored, very exciting country number 47 for me, of Laos. So it's going to take me about 3 days to arrive, and this is how it's going to work. So as I've said, I'm currently here in Chiang Rai and I'm going to take a public bus 2 hours to the border to a town called Chiang Khong. So that's 2 hours public bus with no windows, but it's only 90 baht, so it's like 250 to travel there. And they run most hours on the half hour starting at 7:30 in the morning. Now, if this is too late for you, because some people want to do the whole run in one day, you can get a private tour. That's what a friend of mine is doing today. The tour bus picks you up from your hostel around 5 a.m. That way you get to Chiang Khong at the Thai border, you make your way across the border through border patrol, through customs and everything, you make it to the Lao border town of Yze. Now today that's all I'm doing. I'm going to make it to Yze and I'm sleeping in a hostel there tonight. But you could do it all in one day and you take the slow boat from Yze all the way to the town of Pak Beng. Now everybody sleeps there for the night, you stop the slow boat and then you go on for another 7 hours the following day to the slow boat again to Luang Prabang. So it's a 2-day slow boat journey from the Lao border to Luang Prabang. That in itself is an experience. Obviously there's more efficient ways of travelling to Luang Prabang. You could take a bus, you could fly there, there's an airport here in Chiang Rai. Why not, if you have the time, do it in a little bit of an adventurous way, see some of the famous Mekong River and get to watch the local villages pass you by. Step 1, walk with all your stuff to the bus station in Chiang Rai where you can get the local bus. You can't book it in advance, so I'm just going to go in and ask for a ticket. But look at these murals, it's so pretty here, so much culture in Chiang Rai and in northern Thailand in general. Let's hope that they have a ticket. It's about 2 o'clock. I think there might be 2 or 3 more buses to go, but I would like to get there before it gets dark. So let's see. Here we go. So I got here, there was a bus leaving in 4 minutes, so I just got on it, 2:20 past 2. It's the bus time here. Didn't say it on any sign, anything on the internet. Great luck. So that was handy on the public bus. If you pay an extra 50 baht, they'll take you right to the border and you won't have to get a tuk-tuk from Chiang Khong, the 5 kilometers across the Friendship Bridge into Laos. So now, here we go, border patrol. Okay, so I'm through the Thai side, that was super easy, but I actually haven't gone over the bridge yet, just gone through border patrol for Thailand. Now I guess I'm waiting to get on this bus to go to the Laos side, not quite sure. Okay, so you have to buy another ticket, 35 baht, to go on this bus from border to border over the Friendship Bridge. It's only 5 minutes, but it is necessary. So here we go. Rough and ready, isn't it? Finally, guys, we're through. I don't know how long that took, but well over an hour. How long was that? Like, I don't know what time we got here, but I found some people. We're going to Yze on this Friendship Bridge, yay! And yeah, 200 baht, you can pay in baht, or 100,000 kip to the next place. Oh, let's go. So that was all pretty straightforward. Getting the visa had a couple of steps, 4 different counters to queue up for, so it took a while. But getting here was fine, and I checked into my hostel, which is really nice actually. And there's a thunderstorm, so I'm getting soaked. And I'm looking for an ATM, a SIM card, snacks for the boat tomorrow, slow boat, and then I'm going to buy my ticket. You can buy your ticket before you go from your hostel or from some other places, and it's about €20. So a couple of jobs to do. Oh, and get dinner here in Waisai. So we went to buy SIM, boat ticket, etc., and ended up at a party at a store with all my new friends.
I have food and drink.
Crazy.
We're doing the
Luang Prabang. Everybody up here, girl.
Rice. So I got to.
Do you guys want a beer? Okay.
Have a beer. This has escalated. There's more people. There's mango sticky rice. There's a lot going on here, guys. Welcome to Lao. What can I say? Good morning, everybody. It is 8:30 in the morning and we are here at the pier with the slow boats behind us. It's surprisingly quiet. We got our tuk-tuk about 8:15 because we thought it might take a while, or we thought that there might be a massive queue. It seems to be first come, first served, a little bit of chaos when you get on the boat. But actually it's really quiet here this morning. So our tuk-tuk driver that we came in is just gone to get us our tickets, we think. And then we're going to get on the boat. It doesn't leave till 10:30, but they say get here early to get a good seat and make sure you can sit together. So we made it to the slow boat, and it is now after 9:30 and we haven't left yet, so I don't really know what time we're leaving because our ticket said leaving at 9. Probably 10, half 10, probably 10, something like that. But yeah, it's filling up nicely. So we're excited to get going. 10:05 and we're moving. Welcome to the Mekong River. You can sit out the window. This is amazing. There's a lot more mountains than I was expecting. I thought it was going to be quite flat, but it's mountainous. There's a lot going on. There's temples. It's wonderful. This is going to be a fun couple of hours. half four and we're here, we've arrived, yay! Hooray everybody! Why is that so zoomed in? I don't know, so zoomed in. We did it! We did it! Yay! So when you get off the boat, some people have accommodation booked, I do, and you go with your crowd here, and there's also people selling accommodation for the night, so you don't need to book in advance, and they snap you up in these nifty little vans and take you to your accommodation for the night before you get back on the boat again in the morning. So this is Pak Beng, a rural town in Laos on the Mekong River, and I love it. The hostel's really nice, like it's very basic, but the beds are actually quite comfy. There's a restaurant, there's a beautiful terrace where I was able to watch the sunset. Now I'm just going back to the town to meet some friends there. But this feels like a real taste of Lao life, Laotian life here. Very rural, very very come as you are, you know, unpaved roads, little houses, and yeah, the pace of life here is actually wonderful, because Southeast Asia can be really hectic at times, and just to chill out here and go get some food and watch the sunset, that's a gift. Alright everybody, day 2 here on our slow boat to Luang Prabang, and guess who I ended up sitting next to? It's Tom the taxi driver.
Yo, how's it going?
What are the chances? So yeah, we've got another, what, 8 hours today, something like that? I don't know, maybe 5. Oh, that's much better.
Well, this is a fast one, I don't know, yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't know, maybe 5 hours to Luang Prabang today, and we're guaranteed more great views, so let's go. 7.5 hours later, here we are in Luang Prabang. Well, outside it. Just some giant steps to start our journey, or end it. So that's it folks for the slow boat to Luang Prabang and the start of my further adventures here in Laos as I visit Luang Prabang. I must say, as adventures go, this one is up there. It's long, you know, it's like 7.5 hours in the boat a day. It is a slow boat, you know, without food, with very basic facilities and things like that. But it's a chance to slow down, literally, and see the real rural side of Laos. I love things like that, where you get to slow down and just take a look at the villages around. I knew I was going to love it. It lived up to the hype. I just paid an extra 40 baht to take a tuk-tuk the final 10 kilometers into the centre of Luang Prabang itself. I'm here. I'm delighted I did it. I'm tired. And I will see you guys in the next place.